The ultimate InboxDollarscom review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you want to earn extra cash online, most people get this wrong by relying on shady apps or unrealistic promises. The surprising truth about InboxDollarscom is that it's a legitimate platform that rewards you for simple online activities like taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping. First, create an account. You won't believe how fast it is. Just enter your email, set a password, and confirm your account. No credit card is needed, which keeps your information safe. Next, explore the earning opportunities. Most people get this wrong by skipping tasks. InboxDollars lets you complete surveys, watch promotional videos, redeem cashback for online purchases, and even play games. Each activity earns points, which convert to real cash. Pay attention to bonus offers. The surprising truth is that InboxDollars regularly gives extra bonuses for completing certain tasks or for daily logins. Taking advantage of these boosts your earnings significantly over time. Finally, cash out. You won't believe how straightforward it is. Once you reach the minimum threshold, you can request payment via PayPal, check, or gift cards. Following the platform's instructions ensures you receive your funds without delay. In conclusion, InboxDollarscom can take you from 0 to pro in earning online. By signing up securely, completing tasks diligently, tracking bonuses, and redeeming rewards correctly, you can steadily build extra income. Consistency is key, and small daily actions add up faster than you might think.